Welcome. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by constant group chat notifications on Messenger, you're definitely not alone. Sometimes, you just need a break from all the pings and buzzes. Maybe you're working, studying, or just want a little peace and quiet. Today, I'll show you exactly how to mute notifications for a group in Messenger for 24 hours, using the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Take a moment to scroll through your chats and find the group conversation you want to mute. Once you've found it, tap to open the group chat. At the very top of the screen, you'll see the group's name. Tap on the group name to open the group settings. This will bring up a menu with a variety of options to help you manage your group chat experience. Next, look for the option labeled Notifications and Sounds. Tap on it to access the notification settings for this specific group. Here, you'll see a switch at the top of the screen. Go ahead and toggle off this switch to mute notifications. After you turn off notifications, you'll be prompted to choose how long you want to mute the group. Select the option that says, for 24 hours. This means you won't receive any notifications from this group for the next full day. Perfect for when you need a temporary break without leaving the conversation entirely. And that's it. You've successfully muted notifications for your Messenger group for 24 hours. Remember, you can always come back and turn notifications back on whenever you're ready to rejoin the conversation. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your much-needed quiet time.